Share what you are good at, and launch an online course in 30 days or less. Create online courses and coaching services. Transform your experience and know-how into a thriving knowledge business. Build a course. Build a brand. Build a business. Here is what Teachable can do for you. 1. Easy as it gets. In a matter of minutes, you'll have access to everything you could ever need to create and sell online courses and coaching. Our stress-free platform makes it easy, tech skills or no tech skills. 2. Teach the way you want to learn. This is the fun part. Show off your brand's unique POV by using our customization tools to curate and personalize your content. 3. The small matter of getting paid. You didn't go into business to stress over money, quite the opposite. So we've got that covered. Payouts, taxes, affiliates, authors, that's our thing, you do yours. 3. Monetize your knowledge with best-in-class features. Get all the tools you need to build, grow, and manage a thriving online course and coaching business. Still not convinced? Here are some comments from a couple of our thousands of happy users. I made $169,000 from the launch of my first 2 online courses. Teachable made it incredibly easy to create high-quality products from scratch. Pat Flynn, smart passive income. Teachable made it simple to create and sell a great-looking course that started generating income immediately. What an amazing thing to be making a living doing what I've been doing all along, sharing what I know. Mark Sabatea, Mastering MuseScore School. So turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. Join the more than 100,000 creators who use Teachable to share their knowledge, and who've sold over $1 billion in courses and coaching. Easily create an online course or coaching business with our powerful yet simple all-in-one platform. Now you can get started for free. No matter where you are on your business journey, we get you the support you need, every step of the way. So join now for free, by clicking the link in the description.